Hi guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. We all love summer dresses, but chafing can be a real pain, so today I'm going to show you how to make these pretty lacy bands that you can put on your thighs to stop your legs from chafing. So let's get started. The materials you will need are stretch lace, clear elastic, a ruler, a fabric marker, scissors, thread, and a sewing machine. Measure the widest part of your thigh. Cut out 2 pieces of stretch lace that are 7 inches by the width of your thigh. Fold the top of the band 2 times to hide the raw edges and sew. I am using the scalloped edge on this lace as the bottom of my band. If you aren't using lace with a finished edge though, finish it how you finished the top edge. Stretch the clear elastic before sewing. Sew the elastic 1/4 inch from both the top and bottom of the band with a zigzag stitch. Lightly pull the elastic while you're sewing. Fold the strip with right sides together and sew up the open edge with the zigzag stitch. And now you can beat the heat and wear pretty dresses all summer long. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks.